So today is a very exciting day for me. Before I get on with the title of the video, which is me finishing up my book. Yeah, I wrote a whole book, y'all. Before I get started with my day, I'm actually just going to take my bands out because they've been in for about 2 weeks. And I just felt the itch to just take them out, you know? They wasn't bothering nobody. It's just kind of my routine. So before I get started with my day, I'm going to take them out, and as you see, I've moisturized my hair really good. I did a video on this a while ago on me taking out my bands and like how important it is to really make sure your hair is moisturized before you attempt to take rubber bands out, because if you try to snap rubber bands out of dry hair, yeah, it's not gonna be good. It's gonna be all type of snapping and pulling and breakage and But if you hit it with some water, you hit it with some oil, I promise you they will slide right out. And if you moisturize your hands, like your fingers, real good, they'll slide right off your fingers as well, and it makes the process that much easier. So if you can't tell by this little clip, your girl got a ponytail. It's a respectable ponytail at this point, okay? I'm 3 years in, and I definitely paid my dues. I earned my stripes. I got some length, and yeah, this is kind of, it's actually kind of convenient being able to put your hair up and like work one lock at a time instead of just like fishing through your hair randomly. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and after I'm done with this, I'm actually gonna finish up some final touches on my book. It's not 100% at this point, but I'm gonna get it 100% so I can get it out to the public. And yeah, get these coins, y'all, come on. So at this point, I'm done taking out all my bands. I was shaking my hair, and I just want to show a clip of like what my rubber bands look like after I take them out. Like minimal breakage. It's probably like 5 hairs in there. So yeah, the trick is definitely to keep your hair moisturized while you have them in and moisturized when you take them out. And I promise you, like, you will not have that much breakage. I know it sounds scary, but like it's not. And it could just be because my hair is naturally very, very thick and sturdy. That plays a part too. So I'm just throwing my hair up in some rubber bands because, you know, I got that length now. So, you know, hair be hanging in my face. You know, it's kind of annoying, and I got work to do. So I'm just putting it up real cute, like, you know, gonna moisturize those edges. Got to keep those edges quenched. Critical. So yeah, let me get back to this book. The book is pretty much done at this point. It's pretty much done. I'm just going through, checking those unnecessary run-on sentences, adding in a little extra razzle dazzle, you know, throwing a comma here, a period there, you know, just some real author, publisher type things. You know, I'm feeling myself at this point. I can't even lie. Woke up super early, was super productive. It was freezing cold that day, but that did not stop me. I was determined to get this book done, and I did it. I am so proud of myself. It's a really easy read. You can read it in one day. You can read it at the bus stop. You can read it while you wait on a flight. It has a little activity in it. It's a great book. I promise you. So I am on my way to get my ebook printed out, and it is a full-fledged snow day, y'all. Full-fledged. Like, these is inches, and I don't even think I can get out. I don't think I can get out. Just got back from the store, from the treacherous streets of Chicago, filled with snow. I went to Office Depot, got my ebook. So excited, y'all. I didn't even take my coat off, but that is okay. I can't even hold my phone straight. That's how excited I am. Y'all, my book is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm just gonna go and show y'all, because Veggie Brunch presents Being Vegan is Easy. And for those who don't know, Veggie Brunch is the name of my company that I own here in Chicago. Look at your girl. I'm all grown up, Lord. I got pages, y'all. I got pages. I done wrote a book, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. I got recipes. What is here? Just a couple now. Just get y'all a little sample. You know how y'all can eat better. You know, clear up the skin, get your life together. Baby, it's easy. It's easy. You see the logo? Ah! I'm dropping my merch, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at my book. Y'all don't know, I worked hard on that book. I worked super hard on that book. It took me a very long time. Only because I waited to the last minute to have it done by February 1st, but it's done. And you need to go to eatvegiebrunch.com and go on and download this ebook. It's only $5. It's only $5. Now, the ebook is $5. I'm not selling hard copies at the moment. These are for a special occasion. I got something in mind for these. But the ebook, you can cop that for the 5-piece spicy. One of my missions with Veggie Brunch, one of my missions with veganism in general is to highlight how easy it is to be vegan, right? A lot of times veganism can be complicated or overcomplicated, you know, in the realm of vegan meats and vegan gyros and vegan cheese and all these things that, you know, make your taste buds do backflips and send your creative juices on to overflow. But you know, veganism in its truest, purest sense is one of the most simplistic lifestyles and one of the most simplistic concepts to live by, right? It's bigger than just a diet. It truly is a lifestyle, and the lifestyle truly embodies do no harm, right? Do no harm to animals, do no harm to yourself. Everybody wins. Everybody wins. It's not count your carbs, it's not count your calories, it's not low protein this and high protein that. It's simply do no harm. That's it. If you want to eat bread in the morning and, you know, a banana for dinner, do that. You're not harming nobody. So what I wanted to share with you is an excerpt, just a little part of my introduction from my book, right? From our book. It's called Being Vegan is Easy. And actually, these are our oatmeal raisin cookies. And they are very, very good. And they're actually coming to the menu very soon. So yeah, I started out with a pic of these cookies. I love these cookies, by the way. I love these cookies, by the way. So I just want to share with you guys a little piece of my introduction from the book. So that's me. I should have worn my shirt. I'll wear it next time. Hi there, my name is Angela Joseph. I'm a young, bubbly Chicago native, but I also owe a lot of my upbringing to Sweet Home, Alabama. Montgomery, Alabama, to be exact. I lived there from the ages of 13 to 18 and picked up a lot of the characteristics that I carry with me to this day. The South taught me how to say ma'am and sir, how to enjoy people's company simply sitting on the porch, and how a hug and a smile are the medicine that we all have to dispense freely within us. I also learned how to fry pork chops, smother hash browns and cheese, ham, and chili, and how to chug 32 ounces of sweet tea like a travel-sized bottle of water, honey. So after graduating high school in 2009 and moving back home to Chicago, I had a lot of room for dietary improvement, but I didn't even realize it. I thought I was eating normal. Throwing a couple pieces of frozen broccoli with cheese on the side of my smothered pork chops was me making dinner healthy. This was the norm in my environment, so the thought of improving more never crossed my mind, nor was it really a big concern for me. To be even more honest, I was always a fat kid at heart. Always. I may not have appeared to be unhealthy or out of shape on the outside, but I was sliding down a slippery slope. I was definitely the type to sneak Debbie cakes with the water running loudly when my mom was on the phone, or to tiptoe in the kitchen at 2 a.m. trying to stop the microwave with 1 second left, so that blaring beep, beep, beep didn't warn the house that I was at it again. I used to eat butter too, for real. I know, it was weird. Just grabbed a stick and took a bite. But it was oddly tasty to me. I'm so glad I stopped those antics while I was still young. As of today, I can proudly say that I've been plant-based for a total of 4 years. My first year of being meatless was a great experience. It allowed me to find the versatility in vegetarian meals that satisfied my taste buds. It was not long after I tested the vegetarian waters that veganism became a realistic goal and my way of life. But I didn't come to that decision all on my own. This is an interesting story. How I became vegan. It's a very interesting story. So that's just a little sneak peek of how I came to realize that being vegan is easy. And I would love for you guys to realize how easy it is to be vegan in this book. It's available on the website. It's only $5 for an ebook downloadable copy. You just go onto the Eat Veggie Brunch website. You go to the shop section. You're going to hit that ebook. It's only $5. You're going to hit the yellow button that says PayPal. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, just hit the yellow button that says PayPal. It'll bump you to the next page. And then there'll be an option to pay with your debit or credit card if you don't have a PayPal account. And after you check out, you'll just hit the little button that says download. And this book will be on your phone, available 24/7 whenever you need a reminder of how easy it is to be vegan. You know, it's easy, guys, I promise you. So stay tuned for so much more to come from Veggie Brunch this weekend. I have something really exciting. I'm super excited to share it, and I will be posting it here on our page. Don't forget to like this page, share this page, and download the book. Thanks, guys. Bye.